Welcome to a new episode of BoAi's Slow English. We are halfway through our vacation on the beautiful island of BoAi in French Polynesia. This morning, we are starting off by grabbing some breakfast, and we custom ordered French toast, and we just absolutely love this chef. Good morning, or as they say, Yorana here. We are on day 2 or 3, I'm not sure because I'm on vacation mode. I have my cup of green tea. We just finished breakfast. I had French toast, and we are heading back to the over-the-water bungalow to change into workout clothes and head to the gym. And then afterwards, we are going horseback riding. Come along. The organizer of this tour asked me to come over so that I could get familiarized with the horse and getting on the horse. My horse's name is Hotu. Now it's my husband's turn to get on his horse. We haven't ridden a horse in a few years, and during that time I had a really great experience, which is why I wanted to recreate the experience while on this trip. Comment below if you've ridden a horse before. We are just about to take off, but first my instructor is tightening the saddle and making sure that everything feels secure and safe. I am petting Hotu's hair and giving him some love. Here are some fun facts about horses. They sleep standing up. They have some of the largest eyes of any land mammal. Horses are unable to vomit or burp. They are social animals and like to form a close bond with other horses and can become depressed or anxious if separated from their herd. Also, they are able to run shortly after birth. And lastly, they have an average of 205 bones, but they do not have a collarbone. Before we head off on the trail, we first want to make sure that the horses are well hydrated. There was only one other person in our tour, so it was a nice, intimate experience. It is a 2-hour tour, and I'm starting to realize that I made something called a rookie mistake, meaning I wore shorts instead of wearing long pants, so I was starting to feel some chafing on my legs. Because I was having such a great time, it didn't really bother me too much, luckily. This is one of the most beautiful sceneries I've ever encountered. The mountains, the greenery, even the dog loves it. The weather is pretty hot today, but I'm glad I slathered my body with sunscreen so that I would not get burned. What I forgot to do is apply mosquito repellent, and I was getting eaten alive out here. To the left and right of us is tons and tons of pineapple. Those spiky plants are pineapple plants. The farm dog was our guide the whole time. It knew exactly where to go. Something that was not caught on camera was all the stops that my horse had to make to have a little snack. It wanted to eat everything in sight. We are taking a short break so that the horses finally get to have something to munch on. While the horses are taking a break, how about a few more fun facts? Horses have a wide range of vision. In fact, they have a panoramic vision, which allows them to see almost 360 degrees around them. Also, some horses have mustaches. It helps them to navigate their environment. In addition, horses cannot breathe through their mouths. They are nasal breathers. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you.